What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel where we give you the best AI tips and tricks on YouTube. In this video we are going to be going over how to make these viral Roblox Storytime videos. This was suggested to me by a viewer named Subash Chandran. If you have any ideas on what you want me to do a tutorial on next, let me know in the comments. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and all the tools will be linked in the description down below. The first step is getting a video editor. In this video we are going to be using Veed.io. This is an in-browser editor, meaning you don't have to download the software to edit. So the first thing we're going to do is go to New Video, Create Project, and then once it's done loading, you're going to select YouTube right here. Then it will ask you for a YouTube link. See, add a YouTube video. So we're going to go to youtube.com. Once we're at YouTube, we're going to search up for gameplay. So I'm just going to select Roblox no commentary gameplay. After this, we're gonna make sure we filter to Creative Commons so we know we could use the gameplay. See, Creative Commons allows you to add on, and it's YouTube's way of showing you copyright-free content. So all these videos are copyright-free. Now, see, some of these videos are 50 minutes. So we're gonna also want to press filter and probably go 4 to 20 minutes. So 2 filters. Make sure they're both on 4, 20 minutes, Creative Commons. These are the videos we are going to want to use. Once you find the video you want, you're going to want to copy the link. Go back to Veed.io and paste the link in the box. Add video. So once it's added, you're going to see it down here and then right to the right. See? Play, it plays, and all that stuff. Okay, so if you're doing a TikTok video, see, this is more like a YouTube video, you're gonna want to come up here to settings, size, and where it says original, see, you got square, YouTube, landscape, Twitter, Facebook, and we're gonna scroll all the way down to TikTok. See, now it repositioned the video, so we're just gonna go back, make it as big as the screen was, and make sure it's positioned right in the middle so it follows along, like this. After we got the gameplay, we're gonna want to find a story to put on the video. The best way I see to do this, unless you already have a story that you want, is just to go to Reddit. Okay, Reddit has multiple people posting stories on all kinds of subjects. It's what Reddit is. See, this is passive income. Right here, search Reddit, you could search a Roblox story. I'm just gonna go story time. Roblox story didn't have too much. And then you could sit here and filter hot to top, new, to make sure, you know, there's no repeating stories and stuff like that. See, rising, so maybe these are stories that are gaining some traction. Right now, I'm just gonna go with hot. Okay. Now we're gonna want the voice. The text-to-speech software that I use is aitextspeak.com. Okay, select text-to-speech up here. A language, I use English UK or English US. Okay, right now I'm going to use UK. Select AI voice, and I'm going to use Mel Ryan. That's what I use for most of my, tutorials. Go back to Reddit and copy and paste the Reddit in here. See, make sure it all fits. See, sometimes you might have to break some up. You could do multiple downloads and stuff. You could add pauses right here, control the volume and the speaking rate. Right here, you could select preview. And then right here, you're gonna wanna select, once everything's done and you previewed it and you got what you want, you're gonna select synthesize to file. This puts it down here. See, I have a lot of files right here. You're gonna want to, you could play it to make sure it's the file you want, and you're gonna select download right here. Once we have it downloaded, you're gonna want to go find it in your downloads folder and drag and drop into Veed.io. See, now it's right here. See, maybe you want to press like before the story goes, maybe story 1, or you could, add a text right here. Let's go handwrite. Up here, story 1, and then make this bigger. Okay, you can add the text, you know, the fonts right here and stuff like that. Color is right here. I'm just gonna go with white. See, there's animations right here that you could do. So stuff like that. I guess if you want to, just play around with it. Whatever you want to do. You don't even have to put story 1. You could sit here and drag it down to make sure it's only staying for a short amount of time. But that's how to add text. One thing about the gameplay is adding, you know, the audio. Maybe the audio is getting in the way. So we're going to want to show sound waves that will tell us if there's audio. Then go and detach the audio file. Detaching audio. Okay, so the audio file is under here. See, we could just click on this and delete, and the background or the gameplay will no longer have sound. It'll be silent, and our story time will be the only thing. So if you ever download gameplay that overrides the story or the audio, you could just do that. There's one thing in these Roblox Storytime videos, and it's emojis. I've seen them in every single example that I've seen. So I found this page. It will be in the description below, and it allows you to download what emoji you want. So we're just gonna click here. I'll just use this one as an example, and then download free up here. And then you could go back, and if you need another one, just click back here and pick another emoji. Go back to your downloads tab and drag into Veed. See, now it's gonna be right here. You could short it how much time, or like this. If we want to go back to TikTok, make this big again. Make sure it's center. See, and then even this, we could add both of them at the same time. So that's how you do multiple emojis at the same time. So let's download another emoji just for example. We're gonna do this cowboy. Drag and drop, and it just keeps on stacking like this. So multiple emojis. That's really it. You keep on building it out to match the story and continue to be creative. If you want longer YouTube videos, do about 10 more. Make sure the display type is right. For TikTok, you could probably get away with 1 to 2 more. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to check out these videos that you might also like.